Hi, I'm Joy Macknight, Transaction Banking and Technology Editor at The Banker, and I'm here with Paula da Silva, Head of Transaction Services at SEB, and we're here at Sibos in Singapore. Paula, thanks for joining us. What do you think are going to be the big topics here? Like obviously Sibos is just starting, but what do you think will be the big topics this year?
I think it's all about innovation this year and the trends and how we in banking are going to be either disrupted or working together with fintechs and technology companies in general.
And what do you think are the biggest innovations that's coming into the transaction banking industry at the moment?
But if you look at the amount of time that I hear blockchain, that's going to be it. Now the question is, what are we actually going to use it for? That's what people are debating. And is it resilient? And is there, we bankers tend to put a lot of security items on anything so that we kind of cut ourselves short in a way. But let's see if we can develop that to the next step.
Okay. And what do you think are the biggest challenges and opportunities that face a bank like SEB today?
Well, the challenges are humongous, as you know, about regulation and all of this. But I think the opportunities are even greater. We have a chance of cutting our costs, increasing our revenue, I think, in a way that we have never seen before, if we adopt this new technology and if we work together with companies in spaces that we don't really know, that are beyond our competence. So if we take our core competencies in banking, the financial part and the aggregation part, and work with these companies, we are going to do fine.
Okay. And then how can banks really stay relevant to their clients in this environment?
Well, we are compliant to whatever the regulators tell us to do, which is a really, really good thing, where clients can actually trust and have a security that their money is safe. And we can stay relevant because we have the capital. I mean, if you have those two things combined, you can't lose. Now we need to adapt to the new technology. That's our challenge.
And how would you say that the role of the treasurer is changing, especially with different sort of pressures in terms of working capital or in terms of new developments in trade finance?
I think the treasurer has a lot of untapped potential when it comes to working capital. They have a lot in their drawers that are not using. So to free that up is really their challenge and the opportunity. And that's what we are trying to work with, not only on the trade, as banks traditionally do, and then cash on a separate note, but trying to combine those two so that working capital really becomes the focus. Because if you look at a lot of corporates, the treasurer has a function that is a lot about cash management, and the trade finance sits with the subsidiaries elsewhere in the world. And to combine these two worlds, I think, is a good thing for the treasurer, so that they can discount whatever receivables they have really quickly and pay late. So, good stuff.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much. I hope you have a great conference.
Thank you. The same.